In this video, we will talk about how to fix apps not opening in Windows 10. Method 1. Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Click on Windows icon. Open Settings. Select Update and Security. On the left, click on Troubleshoot. Then Additional Troubleshooters. Scroll it down. Select Windows Store Apps. Click on Run the Troubleshooter. And follow the on-screen instructions. Method 2. Repair or reset app. Click on Windows icon. Open Settings. Select Apps. Now search for the app you are facing the problem. For an example, if I'm facing problem with Media Player, then click on it. Select Advanced Options. Scroll down. Here you have Repair or Reset option. First, click on Repair. If that doesn't work, select Reset. Before you reset the app, you need to understand this will permanently delete the app's data on your device. Method 3. Clear Microsoft Store cache. Right-click on Windows icon, select Run. Type wsreset.exe and click OK. Here, you can see Microsoft Store launched automatically. Close it and check if your problem is resolved. So that's how you can fix apps not opening in Windows 10. If these methods didn't resolve your issue, check out other solutions linked in the I button above. See you in the next video.